Alrighty guys, I know the last video was not super long, but I'm out here with Novas and my buddy Chris. That doesn't make you look any taller.
It ain't gonna. But just remember one thing, little short guys can always climb the tightest places to get the job done.
Okay, well you can climb underneath the car then.
Except for that, it's your car.
Anyway, so we're out here. We're gonna get this car up on the lift and get it down with the other one. I also have another treat. If we get everything to go planned, we're pulling my buddy's SE Trans Am, so he can take that home. And let's see how much of a video we can put forward for you guys. I'll try to get some footage of us getting the car up on the freaking trailer, and I want to get some footage of the SE. And hopefully we'll get some footage of walk around of the gray car now that it's not in the weeds. So, well, it's not really in the weeds anymore because the weeds all kind of died. It's winter. But anyway, let's get this video started and see what we can get done. Later, we are going to try to pull the Nova out of here. We need to get the wheels straight, and there's no steering wheel in this car. So he's going to pull the truck back forward, and I'm going to try and knock this wheel. Oh, that was easier. Just pulled it straight, kicked the tire. We're going to rig this winch up so that way we can haul this car up. Come along just wasn't doing it, especially with the wheels cocked on this car. But we did just pull the whole truck and trailer assembly forward so I can straighten the wheels so we can get this up on the ramps. We're going to hook up the winch to the back of the car and then just tow this. We had to go to several different parts stores looking for what we needed. We were actually also looking for a dead blow, and sad to say, this is the best any of the stores can come up with. I swear the handle is heavier than the head of the hammer. But we're going to disconnect this come along and get that winch hooked up. I will bring you back once we get that far. In the winch? No. You're at a winch and you're just about on the tire. Put a chock in the other front corner too. So now we just shorten this.
Yep.
Headers. Yeah. No, catalytic converters go. Just drag them. You should be free. Well, the other car's already stuck here. Let the tires stay inflated. They're still up. So Jean Grey is going to pull in right behind this one. Leave him here for a little while I get the garage cleaned out. Back her in straight. We get the ramps on it. Got some one of the lines busted for my gas tank. Some of the rest that fell out of the car. This whole thing was lined. I'll put a photo in.
Trusty.
Most of it evaporated, so I'm guessing that whatever was there wasn't much. You see some of the gas? Don't know what broke. Oh, my leaf spring unit is like fucking gone. Oh, hear me?
That would be an adventure we could have had.
What?
We got a hold of Mac because he's only like 20, 30 minutes away.
Who's he? Oh, MPG?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's only like 20, 30 minutes away. He said, hey, you want to come home?
I don't know if he's in the cars anymore. I think the bumper shock on this side's collapsed. I don't know if that was like that before or not. On the front. Got a big old fucking dent from something when it was parked at the in the field. But yeah, you see how this one's pushed in. Huh. Huh? All right, hold on. Let me check the ramps. All right, go for it. We're not stuck on anything. Yeah, the ramp. Sorry guys, if you're going for a ride, I don't no tripod, so. Getting in my own light. It's all downhill from here.
You want to end up running the winch out of wire.
Well, you want me to go throw, you want me to go, where are we stuck now? Oh, the back wheels. Ready? Oh, stop. I got a ramp over here, it's flipping over.
That ain't good.
I do not know how to fix that. No, it's sliding off. All right, you got that?
It's got a safety lock in the clutch.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to move it. That's about as good as I'm gonna be able to move it. Go for it.
Do we need a bar? Or...
No, it should be lined up now.
One down.
We out of line? No, we got plenty of line. We're just stuck on solid ground. Hold on, let me kick the tires. There's nowhere I can put you where you guys are gonna get a nice view without me having to hold it. Hey, kick the front corner of that tire. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, that might be good. Here, hold them.
Hold them.
Hold them.
Hold them. Hello, them. More cookie?
Just hold them the last couple of feet. How much slack did you give it? Ready? If you grab the wheel, it's easier to turn it with the wheel. You're off the ramp. Barely.
Except this side.
Well, here. Pull on the... That should be more than enough. If you push the wheel, the tire, it's easier to spin. Huh?
There.
Grab a block. Grab a block. Either that or put it in park. Is it off the ramp, the block?
No.
I think you can put it underneath the front tire. Good. All right, let's drop the winch, get the chains off. If you think we can push, we should be able to push this easy enough. We might be able to back it out a little bit, get that wheel turned, and get it straight. But all right, I'm gonna let you guys. We're gonna fiddle with this a little bit and bring you back before we leave. All right, I didn't get to conclude the video the other night, but this is where we're gonna store the Novas for the next little while. I actually came here to put car covers on them at request of the storage facility, and so we're gonna get some car covers on them. Just walk around to the cars real quick while I'm out here in the daylight and end this video. So here's some shots of the cars. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like, follow social media. I have Instagram, different things. We will be restoring this car to look like that one. But anyway, enjoy the next couple of clips. Alrighty, girls are all tucked in. Next time you see these two, we'll be dragging them back to the shop to start stripping them down and getting them ready for rebuild. So hope you liked the video. If you're interested in seeing these projects, this project come to fruition, please subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see. Where would you like to see the build go? Engine, power plants, drivetrain, style, direction, whatever. Give me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. So until next time, this is NOVAtazz, and I will see you later.